Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm going to show you how to remove foul odors and smoke smells from any type of vehicle. And right here, one of our customers came to the shop and he has a 2013 Ford Taurus SHO. This is a twin turbo Ford Taurus, and it really does get driven extremely hard. Now the customer came in because he wanted some stuff to clean the interior, but I noticed that his interior smells really bad, and it smells like real bad marijuana. Now I asked the owner, he said he smokes a lot of weed, and this thing really does reek of weed. So if your car has a strong marijuana scent in the car or a cigarette odors, I'm gonna show you how to remove that scent today with our brand new Masterson Strawberry Blast air freshener and odor eliminator. Now you can pick this up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com, and this is the best product that you can get to remove smoke or marijuana scents. Now I wanted to use this on this customer's car because we designed this from the ground up specifically to remove stinky odors like marijuana. Now a lot of people and a lot of customers come to our store saying, hey, my car smells like dank weed. How do I get rid of that? And so we tell them to use this product because this product is designed with a special advanced odor eliminator built into the product. You spray it down, and then the strawberry smell, it's an organic strawberry smell, is designed to counter marijuana smell. So if you have that dank kush smell inside your car, you can easily get rid of that using the Masterson Strawberry Blast air freshener. Now the best thing about this is everything great comes from California. Masterson's Car Care, dank weed, also organic fresh strawberries. So one of the most amazing smells when you're driving down the highway in California, when there's fresh strawberry season, the smell is amazing. So we used an organic strawberry scent and we infused it into this product. And we're gonna show you how to use this product today on this Ford Taurus. Now this thing smells real bad. So if your car smells like cigarettes or weed, this is gonna be a great thing to do. So first thing I recommend before you use this product is vacuum the car. I had the owner actually vacuum the car and then come back to the shop. Now the car is vacuumed and ready to go. And what I like to do is I like to roll all the windows down. So I'm gonna start the car real quick. And I'm just gonna roll all the windows down. There we go, there we go, I'll turn it off. Now the reason I wanted to roll the windows down is when you have any foul odor inside the car, you wanna roll all the windows down to make sure that you can get a lot of fresh air in here. You wanna get air flowing in here, get that stinky scent out. So now that we got a lot of air flowing in here, we got the air moving around, now I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to remove the smell from this car. Now, the problem with cigarette and marijuana smells is people smoke marijuana, they drive with it in the car, or they're smoking cigarettes, and it embeds itself in all of the cloth interior. Now, this vehicle has like a cloth interior. Show them the interior. God, this is amazing, right? This is like a fabric interior. This car is actually super luxury and has like seat heat and seat cooling systems built in through all these little vents. So this is really a high-end luxury car, and the smell of marijuana smoke or cigarette smoke will get embedded inside of this fabric. So how are we gonna remove that? We need to find the source of that smell and get it out of here. So I told the customer pull out everything. I like to check out all the insides of the car. There's some stuff here, like some tools and stuff. There's something in here. I like to remove it. This smells like that California kush. So back, I've given the open bag of weed to the owner of the car. Now it's completely gone from the car. So if you want to get a smell out of the car, if it smells like bad food or if your car smells like weed or cigarettes, get the cigarettes out of the car, get the weed out of the car, get the smelly, nasty food containers out of the car, take it all out. I told the owner I was gonna get this car smelling great before he left the shop. So I told him, get everything out of the car. I gave him a box. He put everything inside the box, so there's no problems with anything in the car messing up the smell. So now let's get rid of the smell in the fabrics. Now, like I said, this car has a very nice fabric interior, and when you're smoking any type of weed or cigarettes, it gets embedded in the fabric. The headliner, it gets embedded in the carpets. A lot in the carpets, the carpet absorbs the smell. So now we're gonna get rid of that. So let's use the Strawberry Blast air freshener. What I like to do is I like to first start the car. There we go. And now I come over to the AC system. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the AC. I turn on climate. Okay, it's off right now. I'm gonna turn it on. And what I wanna make sure is that this little max AC light, it's off right now. Make sure that it's on. And then this other button right here that says recirculate, I make sure that's on too. So we turn them both on. This thing's like on. I also turn the fan all the way up, and I turn the temp all the way down as far as it can go. Okay, it's on low. It's as far as it can go right now. So now I'm gonna take my Strawberry Blast air freshener. I'm gonna turn this on my spray. And what I'm gonna do is, let's go down to the bottom right here. This is the trick. I'm gonna spray it on the carpet itself. So let's prime the sprayer. There we go. Wow, this is already smelling amazing. Now, if you see this vent right here, come in close, guys. This vent right here is actually the intake vent that actually sucks in all of the air to recirculate the system. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray this right around there. Just like, I'm gonna spray like 3-4 sprays. There we go. That just sucking up in there. And then come back up here. That's the most amazing thing. The air coming out of this vent, it smells amazing, like fresh strawberries. I'm gonna do it on this side too. Give me a second. There we go. That's smelling amazing. Yeah, it's working through. This is amazing. This car smells like stupid nasty weed. I don't know. This car has 121,000 miles on it, and it's probably had a lot of nasty stuff in here. I know the person that owns this car likes to do weird stuff like go to Burning Man, so it smells like nasty junk. It smells like weed. It smells like cigarettes and nasty, dirty hippies. So this stuff is really getting it done. Plus, if you're a hippie, this is safe for you. This is organic strawberry scent, so it really does smell amazing. Now, I like to let the AC work for a few minutes. I'm actually gonna come back here, check this out, guys. I'm gonna spray some in the back a little bit. There we go. And if you like, you can spray this on the seat too. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this in the seat. You guys can watch this real quick, okay? This is a beautiful product because it doesn't affect the fabric. It just sprays on the seat and now it's ready to go. If you have it on leather, don't spray it on leather, but this is a nice cloth seat and it really does stink. I mean, the passenger was probably like smoking blunts and joints or bong rips or dabs, whatever, but they were smoking it right here. You could smell it. Now this car is already smelling good. Now here's what I'm gonna do. All the windows are down, right? The air is been able to flow in here. We've been out here for a little while. I'm gonna roll them all up. Okay, look at the dirtiest windows. Like, this is disgusting, right? We'll fix that later for the customer. But I'm gonna roll up all the windows and I'm gonna go ahead and spray a few more sprays down here, right? I'll spray a few more sprays. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it under the seat, spray it on this side as well, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and close up the car and I'm gonna let it run for about 10 minutes and let that AC run and flush out any of the nasty smells, because this product has an odor eliminator inside the spray. The odor eliminator attracts the odors like the marijuana scent, and it really eliminates it from the system, because a lot of people run their car on the max AC and then they smoke in the car or they vape in the car, and all that vapor gets stuck behind this system and it builds up bacteria. This is gonna kill the bacteria instantly. It's gonna smell amazing. So we're gonna go take a break. We're gonna come back in 10 minutes right after this is flushed out and we'll see the results. We'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Okay, so we're back. We let the car run for 10 minutes. We let the AC cycle. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off right now. And there we go. The car already smells so much better. Like, I'm just gonna take in a big smell of this. Yeah, that's a beautiful strawberry scent. This stuff is amazing. It works so good. This car literally sits outside all the time in the desert and the sun beats on it. And when you have a car that smells like weed or cigarettes, the sun just intensifies all of that smell. If you have a car that smells like that, when it's cool, it might smell okay. But when it beats on it in the summer, like we're out here in California, it's hot. It's very hot. It's like almost an 85-degree day out here. When the sun beats on the car, it starts to smell even worse. But this product is gonna eliminate that smell instantly. So if you have a stinky car that smells like marijuana, if you're a college kid and your parents are coming home and you don't want them to smell your stinky car, go ahead and get this product. You can pick this up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com. If you buy a used car or a new car, it just smells like marijuana. A lot of people might have cars, like you buy a car from Colorado or California or Oregon, if it's a Volvo or a Subaru, it probably is gonna smell like weed. So I'm guaranteed you really should buy this product. Pick it up on our website, mastersonswax.com. It's an amazing odor eliminator. And this is the one thing that I like about this is the strawberry scent. I developed this specifically to have that amazing strawberry scent. Strawberry scent in the car, when it's an organic one just like this, it smells amazing and you're gonna love it in your ride, I guarantee it. So go over to our website, mastersonswax.com, pick it up today, right now, for the best prices, and get everything else you need to clean your interior and get your car looking right now. Once again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. And remember, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for all the best detailing news and the best detailing products. Now, thanks a lot for viewing. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing. Now, let's go do some like all-wheel drive burnouts. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks a lot, guys.